Hello everybody, you might have seen Big Papa's, that's me. Hi, I'm Big Papa, formal invite. You might have seen the chicken Parmesan sandwich I did on the griddle. Well, it got me kind of thinking that I should do chicken Parmesan on the griddle. And it's really nice. So we have some basil, we have some desert gold, Parmesan is in chicken parm, thinly sliced mozzarella, angel hair pasta, cast iron pan because we're going to do this all on the griddle, San Marzano marinara sauce, which I really like. Okay, and then we've got one bowl with flour, one bowl with Parmesan, panko, and flour, and one bowl with eggs. Before we go outside, let's prep our chicken. So with flour, egg, then our panko mix. So you want to dip it in the flour first, and one of the things you want to do is I buy these cutlets. I got a butcher that I just love, and they run them through like the little almost chicken fried steak machine, but they're grooved, they're beautiful, but try and get the flour in those crevices. So we shake that down for good coverage. Then we come in for the egg, then into the parm and panko. Press down, like I said, we want a lot of that in those crevices. Shake, dip. Boy, I'm writing a song. Shake, dip. Make sure we want it everywhere. Press it in there good. It's nice to leave these in the refrigerator just for a little before you go. And we'll be outside and cook them up. Chicken parm time. Have a griddle set to 325. I like to put just a little avocado oil on it first. Fun, fun, fun doing all of this on the griddle. Why? Because I can. About 4 minutes. Parchment paper. Nice press on it. Oil in there. The oil heated up. Let's heat up the marinara sauce. How we doing here? Put the beautiful marinara with the San Marzano tomatoes. Cover it a little more. Get some parm under there. Beautiful. Perfect. See what my temperature is? Perfect. Done. Let's melt some cheese. This up nice and good. Where's the parm? And there you have it.